This is how you animate a character. First, hit the plus button, then create a name for your animation. Once you have that set your desired frames per second. For this one, we're going to stick to 12 frames. Then, we are going to create project. And now, we have different tools that we can use for animating. First is this brush right here, and this brush has multiple different brushes beneath it. So we got the simple pen brush, which we're going to be using a lot of. Then, we are going to start creating our character. Well, not creating our character. We're not creating a character. I'm just going to teach you how to animate, and we're going to start with squash and stretch. Now, usually, they start with the ball, but for this one, let's do triangle. Now, what we want to do is we're going to take this frame, copy it, trace around it. To do that, you see that there's a flare. This is when you activate the onion skin, right there. As it is falling, object be a little squashed and stretched. As in, it is squashed on the sides, it's stretched a long ways. But when it makes an impact to the ground, you see, it flattens. That's it, right? No, it is not it, because now you gotta make it squash off the ground. How we do this? Put this right here. Now it is squashing and stretching off the ground. It is not being very fluid, is it? No. It is looking too simple. It's not even looking like there's any easing going on. So what we do is we add another frame right here. Let's add another. Yes, this looks better. Let's add a little bit more easing. You have an animation. Now let's make it funnier. So what I like to do is I'm just going to take this triangle and draw an eye, because I like the Illuminati. You've now learned to animate